Hi, my name is Sophia Kreider, and I'm a private practice therapist here in Lancaster County. And for the past year or so, I have been attending Karen Carnabucci's Psychodrama and family constellation trainings, and have found them to be extremely useful both in my therapy practice with clients as well as in my own personal development, which obviously then filters through into my practice with clients. Her workshops are extremely engaging. They're collaborative, they're creative, they're these safe spaces where you join with fellow professionals and make some really true connections. And in that, you are both learning how to be a better therapist, but also you're evolving as a human being. So I find them to be something that I think has made me a better clinician, as well as a more compassionate clinician.